Okay, hey, it's Trace. I happen to have about my person a poached egg, and you can't have a poached egg if you don't have hollandaise up on top. This is the easiest hollandaise ever. Breaks every single rule. The reason I thought about it is because I've been doing this for years, and I watched somebody do like a 1,000-step video on hollandaise. Oh, please. All right, cold pan. Okay, no heat on there. Half a stick of butter, cold. Because you want this to melt slowly, you know, math, science. Half a stick of butter, 1 egg yolk. I don't know what size mine are. I have backyard chickens. Tablespoon of water, and a half a tablespoon, oh, look at this, of, freshly squeezed right off the tree lemon juice. Don't come at me. Whisk, and now I'm gonna turn it on sort of medium-ish, and all you do, stand here and stir it. Once it starts to do things, what happens is, it'll start to melt, and then it'll get frothy, and then it'll start to get thick. And I'm gonna put this on fast time, because nobody needs to watch me stir. Like 6 minutes. Okay, here you go. Just stir it, mostly constantly. I happen to have a very large cocktail here with me, so I'll be drinking that in my fabulous chicken mug while I wait for this to turn into hollandaise and break every single rule on earth. Yeah, I'm here for you. All right, let's go. Okay, I've taken it off. I've turned the heat off, and I'm lifting it because I have a ceramic cooktop, so that glass stays hot for a little bit. Can you see how beautiful and thick and hollandaisey that is? Here we go. Oh, I guess I gotta do it that way so you can see. Look at that. And it beautifully coats the back of the spoon. Heck yeah, man. What we're gonna do is move back a little tiny bit, put that there. Off the heat. Pinch of salt, and you really should put cayenne in here, but I prefer Aleppo pepper, which, I don't know, it's just for me. You don't have to do this bit. Obviously do add the salt. And there you go. You can throw that in a jar and eat it, or warm it up later. Warm it up slowly in a little bit of hot water. You just put the jar in some warm water for a while you're cooking. Or I happen to have, let's get my warmed up poached egg. Let me know if you need a video on how to do a whole batch of eggs. I do 5 at a time, keep them in the fridge. Look at that. Oops, sorry. Come on, how beautiful is that? Look. Yeah. You want to be me, don't you? Where's my fork? Oh, hang on. Okay, there you go. And this is my 3-minute egg in boiling water, and then I set them all in a bunch of ice water to wait, and there you go. A beautiful creature. Oh yeah. Here we go. Sorry. Cheers. Okay, that's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go away and eat this here in a red hot second. I have some toast going. But the hollandaise will hold in the fridge for a bunch of days, actually, because your yolk is cooked. It's absolutely delicious. You don't need to fuss about. I mean, come on. Life's too short for stick blenders and tempering and doing all kinds of wonderful things like that. What life is not too short is to have a little jar of your very own of hollandaise sauce. So off you go. Go make it. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.